Welcome to our BetMGM guide. Today, we're diving into the withdrawal process and learning how to manage it effectively. There are several reasons you might want to cancel a withdrawal, including changing your mind, waiting for better odds, or needing funds quickly. Let's navigate to the withdrawal section. Open your BetMGM app, log in, and go to the My Account tab. From there, select Withdrawals. To cancel a pending withdrawal, simply select the withdrawal you wish to cancel and tap the Cancel button. Confirm your action. If you encounter issues, check your internet connection, ensure you are logged in correctly, and remember that there may be processing times. Once you've canceled the withdrawal, you will receive a confirmation message. Always check this to ensure it's successful. If cancellation isn't available, consider transferring funds between accounts or modifying the withdrawal amount if that option is presented. For future withdrawals, plan ahead. Set limits on how much you withdraw and monitor your account regularly to stay updated. To summarize, understanding the withdrawal process allows for better control over your funds, and knowing how to cancel a withdrawal can save you time. For more tips on mastering your BetMGM experience, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy gaming!